Learn Hindi comparison words. Good to most with.
अच्छा,
And.
सबसे ज्यादा.
Welcome to the comparison circus. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi without falling asleep on page 2. Today we climb from good to best, crash down to bad and worse, and then count how much is too much. Picture a dramatic game show. A judge in a glitter jacket holds 8 cards. He lifts the first card and smiles.
अच्छा,
Means good. Then he raises an eyebrow.
बेहतर.
Means better. Then confetti explodes.
सबसे अच्छा.
Means best. Suddenly the music turns suspicious. A burnt samosa rolls onto the stage. The judge sighs.
बुरा.
Means bad. Then the samosa catches a cold and loses a dance contest.
बदतर.
Means worse. Finally it slips into a puddle of yogurt and gets a trophy nobody wants.
सबसे खराब.
Means the worst. Now the snack table appears. There is
बहुत.
food, meaning much or a lot. But one cousin eats.
सबसे ज्यादा.
Meaning most. Congratulations, you have entered the circus and somehow survived the samosa drama. The hero of good, better, best. Let's make the positive words stick in your memory. You only need a hero, a mango, and a slightly overconfident narrator. Our hero tastes a mango and says, "This is."
अच्छा.
That means good. Then he tastes a second mango and says, "This one is."
बेहतर.
That means better. Then grandma brings the secret family mango from the top shelf. Everyone goes silent. A flute plays. The hero whispers, "This is."
सबसे अच्छा.
That means best. Say the latter with me. Good is.
अच्छा.
Better is.
बेहतर.
Best is.
सबसे अच्छा.
Memory trick.
अच्छा.
Sounds cheerful.
बेहतर.
Sounds close to better, and
सबसे अच्छा.
literally gives you that top of the podium feeling. Mini line. Today is.
अच्छा.
Tomorrow will be.
बेहतर.
And your pronunciation will be.
सबसे अच्छा.
After practice. The villain of bad, worse, the worst. Now let's meet the dark side of adjectives. Don't worry, it's still funny, mostly because the villain is extremely bad at being evil. The villain makes tea with salt. The crowd groans.
बुरा.
That means bad. Then he tries to fix it by adding ketchup. A child faints dramatically onto a sofa. The tea is now
बदतर.
worse. Then he serves it with melted ice cream and calls it fusion cuisine. Even the cat leaves the room. This is
सबसे खराब.
the worst. Say the gloomy ladder. Bad is.
बुरा.
Worse is.
बदतर.
The worst is.
सबसे खराब.
Notice the contrast.
बेहतर.
Means better, but
बदतर.
means worse. One small sound change, one giant emotional difference. If a movie is fine, maybe it is not.
बुरा.
If the sequel is painful, it becomes.
बदतर.
If part 3 includes a dancing refrigerator and 10 minutes of screaming, it might be.
सबसे खराब.
How much and who ate most? Time for quantity words. This section may cause hunger, because grammar and snacks are now legally married. At a family dinner, there is
बहुत.
food on the table. That means much, a lot, or very much depending on context. There are
बहुत.
rotis,
बहुत.
rice, and
बहुत.
dessert. But one uncle eats.
सबसे ज्यादा.
He smiles proudly like a champion athlete of buffets. So remember.
बहुत.
Is much or a lot.
सबसे ज्यादा.
Is most. Example. I have
बहुत.
work today. Example. Who talks?
सबसे ज्यादा.
In this room? We all know the answer. It is usually the person asking. Quick dialogue madness. Now you will hear short scenes. Try to guess the Hindi word before I say it. If you get one wrong, no problem, the samosa judge still believes in you. A. How is the food? B. It is.
अच्छा.
A. Is this version good? B. No, this one is.
बेहतर.
A. Which option should we choose? B. The.
सबसे अच्छा.
1. A. How was the weather? B. Honestly.
बुरा.
A. Is the situation improving? B. No, it is getting.
बदतर.
A. Which restaurant was the worst? B. That one was.
सबसे खराब.
A. Do we have enough time? B. Yes, we have.
बहुत.
Time. A. Which song do you like most? B. I like this one.
सबसे ज्यादा.
Your challenge round. Okay, your turn. I will give you the English idea, and you say the Hindi word in your head or out loud like a brave language warrior. Good. Answer.
अच्छा.
Better. Answer.
बेहतर.
Best. Answer.
सबसे अच्छा.
Bad. Answer.
बुरा.
Worse. Answer.
बदतर.
The worst. Answer.
सबसे खराब.
Much. Answer.
बहुत.
Most. Answer.
सबसे ज्यादा.
Final full ladders. Positive ladder.
अच्छा. बेहतर. सबसे अच्छा.
Negative ladder.
बुरा. बदतर. सबसे खराब.
Quantity ladder.
बहुत. सबसे ज्यादा.
Friendly goodbye. You did great, and yes, that was absolutely not.
सबसे खराब.
It was at least.
अच्छा.
Maybe even.
बेहतर.
Thanks for learning with me today. Keep repeating these words.
अच्छा. बेहतर. सबसे अच्छा. बुरा. बदतर. सबसे खराब. बहुत.
And.
सबसे ज्यादा.
Practice them in your own sentences, use them with food, movies, weather, and dramatic family dinners. Thank you for listening, keep practicing, and your Hindi will get
बेहतर.
every day.